Sons and daughters of this native land, we're gonna rise up in this world of black. Got blood of warriors and we're on no mask. Our battle drums hear our trumpets blast.
Oton, matahom kong Puloy-an. Background. Oton is a historical significant municipality in the province of Iloilo, Philippines, holding the distinction of being the second oldest Spanish settlement in the country after Cebu. It is located approximately 10 kilometers south of Iloilo City and serves as a vital historical, cultural, and trade center in the Western Visayas region. Brief history of Oton. The name Oton is believed to be a Hispanized version of the native term Ogtong or Ugtong Adlaw. According to local history, Spanish explorers landed in Panay. They asked the natives for the name of the place. The natives did not understand Spanish and thinking the visitors were asking for the time, replied Ugtong Adlaw, meaning noon or high noon. The Spaniards unable to pronounce. Founded and established. Pre-colonial era before the Spanish arrival, Oton was already a thriving Malay settlement and a major trading port in 13th century. It was a seat of the Padilla as Confederation under Dato' Paiburong. Spanish establishment. The town was organized during the administration of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, was formally established as a Spanish Pueblo town on May 3, 1572 by Augustinian missionaries. Political importance in 1572, it was made the capital of the Alcaldía of Oton, which covered the islands Panay, Guimaras, Negros, Tablas, Sibuya, and Romblon. It was a vital shipbuilding center for the Manila galleon trade. People and local heroes. Fray Martin de Rada, OSA, founder. A famous Augustinian cosmographer and mathematician, he is considered the founder of Oton. He arrived from Cebu and officially signed the acceptance of Oton as a Pueblo town and house of the order on May 3, 1572, preaching the Christian doctrine along the Bachano River. Dato' Paiburong. Before the Spanish arrival, Oton was an important Malay capital. Dato' Paiburong ruled over Catagman, now Barangay San Antonio, make it a major pre-colonial settlement until 226 AD. Father Ernesto L. Calvo. As the first Filipino parish priest in Oton, he initiated the construction of the new current church after the devastating Lady Kaikai earthquake of 1948 destroyed the old landmark, Tapar, in 1603. This indigenous leader led a religious uprising, establishing a new church to counteract Spanish influence, representing the early Octoganon desire for independence. Geography. Status as a municipality. As of 2026, Oton is the first-class municipality and is officially recognized as the most populous town in the province of Iloilo and the entire Panay Island, boasting a population of 99,920 according to the 2024 census. It is composed of 37 barangays and is a key urban area within Metro Iloilo. Land area and location. The municipality covers a total land area of approximately 86.44 square kilometers or 8.644 hectares. It is located 10.2 to 11 kilometers west of Iloilo, bordered by the Iloilo City districts of Arevalo and Mandurriao to the east, Tigbawan to the west, San Miguel to the north, and Panay, Gov Sulu Sea to the south. Population and heritage. With nearly 100,000 residents of Oton, is highly urbanized, largely due to its proximity to Iloilo City. The people are generally referred to as Octoganon. The demographic composition is primarily Ilonggo, with inhabitants speaking Hiligaynon, Karaya, and Tagalog. There are no large distinct ethnic minority groups. The population is predominant Christian with a rich Catholic heritage. One of the uniqueness of Oton is the Kasagman Festival. It is an annual celebration in Oton, Iloilo, held from April 28 to May 3, honoring the town's pre-colonial historical heritage, renamed from the Octoganon's Festival. It highlights Oton ancient trading port routes, featuring street dancing, historical exhibits, and the iconic Golden Mask. Also, the Immaculate Conception Parish in Oton, Iloilo. This is the first and oldest parish in Iloilo, founded by Agustinians in 1572 as a pivotal administrative center known for its majestic 1891 Greco-Gothic Church of the Philippines, most beautiful church and most largest church in the world, but it was destroyed by the Lady Kaikai earthquake in 1948 and never rebuilt.